Hunt Bonneau here, reporting live. Hunt Bonneau reporting live.
Hunt Bonneau reporting live.
Hunt Bonneau reporting live. Hunt Bonneau reporting live. One of my favorite things to do is to help people who have been bullied by insurance companies. This is Hunt Bonneau reporting live from my kitchen. Why am I doing a video from my kitchen? Well, this is where I'm sitting around 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night on a Sunday night when I get the call from somebody that's been in a car wreck, didn't hire a lawyer, and now is wondering, Hunt, should I give the insurance company a recorded statement? Well, the answer to that is no. Why? Recorded statements are designed by insurance companies to trip you up. They are done by professionals who have been trained to ask questions that are going to trip you up. And then the recorded statement itself will be used against you. For those reasons and many others, when the insurance company asks you to do a recorded statement, you say, I pass, and have them call your lawyer. Do I need a lawyer to help me negotiate the property damage only? And so we're talking about the property damage to the car, not the personal injuries. Do you need a lawyer for that? No, you don't. It is easy to ascertain the value of the damage to your car by simply looking at the Kelley Blue Book and then doing an inspection of your car and looking at your mileage. From there, you and the insurance company can easily come up with a settlement value. Bringing in a lawyer and paying him a fee is likely not going to increase the amount of money that goes in your pocket. And so for Hunt Bonneau and the Bonneau Law Firm, be safe out there and handle your property damage claims on your own. For those of you that are asking the question about whether or not you should sign a medical authorization when an insurance company asks you to, my answer is always no. For those that are brave enough to handle their case without a lawyer and feel like that's something that they want to do, my suggestion is in those cases, get your own medical records. And here's why. With a medical authorization, the insurance company can go get all your records, not just the ones related to your crash. They can get private records. They can get sensitive records. They get any records because you've authorized them to do so. If the insurance company needs medical records, you go get them yourself, submit it to them, and that way you remain in control that the records that you provide are the ones that are relevant to the case at hand. For Hunt Bonneau and the Bonneau Law Firm, be safe out there.